All right, so now that I've got my data in and I'm working in Google Sheets, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my treatment descriptions and my response variables, highlight everything. Once everything's highlighted, I can lift my hand off of that left click, and then I'm going to go up here to my insert and insert a chart. Now, I don't want a pie chart, because these aren't fractions of 100. So our independent variable is qualitative, where we have categories: room temperature, hot, cold. So that means that I'm going to be using a bar chart. And in here, I think it's called a column chart. Okay, so what we can see then is our response variable is our time in seconds. We have our different treatments. What we need to do is change our just title to make it a descriptive title. So hot water, let's see, let's make this food coloring, diffused the fastest in hot water. Okay, so what that does when I have a descriptive title like that, then my reader can look at the picture, look at that short bit of words, those two things connect, and that is an excellent skill to have as you go on in your career, making your results easy for people to understand. So let's just go through this checklist, make sure we have everything on our graph. We have an appropriate style of graph. We have a bar graph because we're using qualitative data for independent and quantitative data for our dependent variables. We have a descriptive title. We have our x-axis is labeled with our different treatments. Our y-axis is labeled with our dependent variable, which is time, and we're using our units of seconds. So there we go. All right, this is ready to be turned into Canvas.